What's going on, everyone? My name is Josh McGhee with Rodera Realty, and today we're in the Bird Streets. The Bird Streets is a neighborhood in Hollywood Hills off of Sunset and Doheny Drive, known for its extreme privacy and spectacular views. Here's a look at a few of my favorite homes that's on the market this week. Homes in the Bird Streets have really nice architecture, amazing open floor plans, and big glass windows. You see the whole city from the master bedroom. A lot of homes in the Bird Streets are designed perfectly for entertainment. Infinity Edge pools looking over Los Angeles doesn't get any better. Because of this type of scenery, homes are listed as high as $44 million. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you again next time.